Tired of your emails showing the wrong name? In 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to fix it permanently. We've all been there. You send a professional email and the person on the other end sees some generic username or an old nickname you haven't used in years. It doesn't exactly inspire confidence, does it? Let's get that sorted right now. First, sign in to Yahoo Mail. Then we'll navigate to Settings, update your name, and verify it works. I've done this process dozens of times, and I promise you it's a lot simpler than it sounds. All right, let's start. Go ahead and sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Open up your browser, head to mail.yahoo.com, and log in with your email and password. This part is straightforward. Once you're in, you should see your inbox with all your messages staring back at you. Take a second to let everything load. Sometimes it takes a moment for the full page to settle. Now, you're looking at your inbox. See that gear icon in the top right corner? That's your settings menu. I want you to click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says More Settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where all the magic happens. You're now in the General Settings area. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. We need the one that says Personal Info or Personal Settings. It should be near the top of that list. Click on it. The page will shift and you'll see a few different fields. Trust me, I've been through this menu 100 times and it can be easy to get lost, but we are right where we need to be. Scroll down just a little bit until you see the section labeled Display Name. This is the field we are here to change. It's probably showing whatever old name you're tired of seeing. In my experience, this is where most people get stuck, but not today. Click inside that field. Delete whatever is currently in there. Now type in the name you want people to see. This can be your full real name, a first and last name, or even just a first name if you prefer a more casual vibe. Just make sure it represents how you want to be seen professionally. No pressure, but get it right because this is what shows up on every email you send. Once you have it typed in, look for the Save button. It's usually a blue button right there on the page, or it might be at the bottom of the section. Click it. You should see a quick confirmation that your changes were saved. Sometimes it just says Changes Saved in a little green bar at the top. If you see that, you're golden. And here's the really important part. I always tell people, don't just assume it worked. Send a test email to yourself or to a friend. Compose a new email, type in your own address or a colleague's, write something short like test, and send it. Then check the inbox it landed in. Look at the from name. Does it show the new name you just set? If it does, congratulations, you are all set. If it still shows the old name, just go back into settings, double-check that you clicked save, and try sending another test. Sometimes it takes a minute to propagate, and that's it. From now on, every email you send will carry that new professional display name. No more explaining why your old username is showing up. You're done. Thanks for sticking with me. See you in the next one.